up, guys? What's up? I'm back. I'm flipping back like crazy hell with my flipping cup of coffee, some flipping tea, mate, everything, water, everything that's needed to flipping attack the market like crazy. See what we could get out of the market right now. Let us see. Mm, good times, good times. Yeah, I had to leave my last live stream because my daughter was performing in a band, so I had to go for that. But yeah, it was pretty cool. She did pretty good. It was awesome. Good times. Good times, man. Awesome times. But anyways, I'm gonna switch this thing to the stock market, and we'll see what the hell's going on here. Like we'll check it out, sort of, kind of halfway. Hopefully, it's doing okay a little bit. Trying to get into a play here. I don't know if it'll work out or not. Yeah, my daughter had a recital in a band at school, so I'm gonna try to adjust this, make it better visible. Hopefully it doesn't like fall or anything like that, but okay, I think it's kind of sort of halfway good enough, maybe, hopefully. We'll see. Yeah, I think it's probably good enough for now the way it is. Okay, let me see here. Some dog. Hey there, Tommy Hawk. How's it going, man? Wondering for treasure. Yo, what up? What up? Hell yeah. Some more flipping campfire stuff. Some more flipping cyber campfire stuff. Hell yeah. The nicest dad. Oh, how sweet. I know, right? Hopefully, I'm kind of sort of halfway the nicest, at least. I don't know. Hell yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on. What's flipping going on here? I got my coffee. Hell yeah, they're wondering for treasure. Hell yeah. Midnight coffee, midnight flipping tea drink. Ah man, good stuff, good stuff. And I also got my flipping mate, like hot water mate, South American drink. Got that on board. Hell yeah. Time to attack the market. See what we could squeeze out of it, right? Hopefully it doesn't squeeze anything out of us. The opposite. Kind of squeezed a little bit out of me today, but it's not too bad, Part of the market is actually good times, fun times. And the flippin' amazing Spider-Man thingy, the cup that my daughter gave me. Tea in this thingy, hell yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. Hell yeah. Alrighty, so I'm trying to get into a trade here. Okay, so you got a limit buy in 4295. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the same thing, 4295. So right now I've got this one to short it from 4304, but I'll try to buy kind of like what you got, like 4295. Let's see, let's try that. Buy limit one at 4295.0. Okay, we'll see whichever one happens first. If it's gonna go up, it's gonna get one contract. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna get the other one, right? Buy a Christmas tree. Actually, we already got a Christmas tree over here. It's pretty nice. It's pretty neat. But so right now I got two contracts. Well, none of them that are active at the moment, just pending ones. I've got the one that's pending to get like if it reaches that number to short it from that number down, the 4304.3, and then like I'm doing the one that you got there, this one right here. I'm copying yours 4295 to go up to go long from that one. So I guess we'll see which one it hits first, right? See which one hits first, and then hopefully play it from there. Maybe squeeze a tiny bit out of it, Squeeze a tiny little out of the stock market, see what it does. See what it flipping do like crazy, It's moving slowly, but it's moving. Let me see. What if I click on the GLD here for a second? See if I could look at the detail chart. Once hit, need tight stop. Oh, okay, tight stop. Okay. So, what kind of stop should I do? Like, let me see. Hold on here. Let's see, advanced. So I'm not sure, like, if this one could see the market at the moment because it's not like going right now, but looks like short term it is kind of trending down. See 5 minute chart. But yeah, it still looks like that short term momentum. It still looks like towards the downside. What are you doing? Oh, hey there, Shell Price. I'm trading, doing some trades here on Robinhood. So I should do another stop loss just in case if it does hit it. I should do another buy. Like, let's see, because on this one, like the only is it a game? No, it's the stock market. That's actually we're trying to squeeze money out of the stock market. You know, kind of like squeezing lemonade to get lemons out of the like lemon out of the lemonades. We're squeezing money like green papers out of the stock market. You know, like squeezing it out, sort of. Yeah, well, we're like instead of making lemonade, we're making money nade. You know, because we're squeezing money out of the stock market. So it's like money nade. You know, like something like that. I guess you could call it. But we're trying to do that at least. Oh, okay, okay, cool, cool. But yeah, anyways, we're just trying to make money. The stock market. Just kind of, sort of, halfway, plain and simple. See, we'll see which level it hits first, but let's see if I got that one. So if it does hit that one, I should do another sell. I could probably put another sell order below this one just in case to have it as a stop loss type deal. But I'll probably do that later once it hits it though. At 4290.0. Oh, okay, 4290.0. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, trade. So if that's a buy, I'll do a sell. So if it's a buy, then sell at lower price. Okay, so sell. Do a 4290.01. So if I do this one, I wonder if it's gonna get me in. It might. Thing is, if I do this one right now, it might get me in the flipping trade. Because if I do a sell that's below that, I just got see the sucky thing about what do you call it, Robinhood is that you can't really do that. Stop order falls to a fixed stop price. Trigger a sell order. Yeah, I'm not sure how this thingy works here because I think it has to be in the trade to actually do a stop. Like right now, before it actually activates it, I can't really do much. Well, you just have to have at least a mental stop, or once it's in the play, set that stop immediately after it's in. If it falls below the 4290, 4277 is at play. Oh, okay, I see. I see. Okay, I'm not sure either. But yeah, to do a stop loss on this one, I think once it gets in the play, that's when I would have to set the stop loss. Because I once it's in the play, I could go and do a sell at a certain thing just to get out of it, you know. Yes, I have to be in a trade to set the stop loss. But yeah, I would have to be in a trade. So I'll just have to have some patience. So right now, looks like it's hitting lower a little bit. So like to get in to 4295. Let's see, 4295. Right now it's 4299. So it has a tiny bit more lower to go to get in. Can you do 99999? Yeah, I probably could do that, but probably best not to. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if it'll hit this thingy here. Looks like it's heading there a little bit. This is stop loss setup. Start stop loss once you buy it. Yes, yes, for sure. I agree with you there, Bill. What you said, a limit order you're waiting to fill or something. Yes, yes, we're waiting to fill. I set a limit order right here to get in at 4295. Then from this to possibly go long. Then I got another order if in case if it goes up higher to short it from that amount. So I got a couple limit orders just waiting for one of them to hit. Sometimes patience is key, so maybe good thing to wait for something. So yeah, yeah, I'm trying to get in. Just get out of trade. It falls below 4290. Yes, yes, for sure. They're wondering for treasure, for sure. The thing is also once I'm in the trade, I could set the stop loss while I'm in the trade. I could once it's in there, I could go and then I could click on sell and click on that price, or just yeah, or just sell. Have a mental stop loss like you said. Just sell it once it reaches the price. Just get out of it. Just exit. But regardless, it should be doable as long as stay firm on the plan and execute accordingly. Should I think it should do just fine. So do you buy money to get money? It's a infinity loop. OMG. Yeah, kind of like an infinity loop. If you know what you're doing in it, it's like an infinity money glitch that you could potentially make unlimited money nonstop. But you gotta know how to do it and what to do type deal. It's not as easy as I guess some people think possibly. Yeah, just trading, trying to make some money in the stock market. Because this is just the last little bit we got. Like, cause Friday it closes. Friday at like I think 2 o'clock. What's the time it closes? 3 to 2. So here's the hour. So uh, Sunday at 3 p.m. to 2. Friday at 2 p.m. So yeah, it closes 3 p.m. to Friday at 2 p.m. and close 2 to 3 p.m. Okay, so Friday at 2 p.m. So it closes at Friday at 2 p.m. Oops, I gotta go back to the trade here. Metals futures, micro gold. Just got here. Are you a broker, day trader, or what? Oh, hey there, Dicker Snoodle. I'm just a normal guy on YouTube trading live for the most part. Just trying to get some trades in. So right now I got a couple of contracts that are pending, trying to either short it from one part or go long from another part. So yeah, I'm just trading live on YouTube, trying to get into a futures contract right now. Shout out my friend Swastika. Homeboy. He is trying his best for its 94 will hit. Okay, just gotta have a tiny bit patience. I think it should hit. I think it should. It's kind of sort of halfway getting there. I put that one evil doofus troll on timeout, because it's being rude. Oh, for sure. Like I started trading kind of last year. I'm still kind of new to it. I'm still kind of got a lot more to learn. But even I wish I kind of started it earlier, you know. But still, it's never too late, you know. There's different type of trading styles that you could do, you know. Oh, nice. Next 15 minutes. Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Drink some mate here, drink some tea here. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. That a lot of money. That's funny. Okay, let's see. What does it look like over here? It'd be dipping a little bit. It'd be flipping dipping. Oh, looks like the chart is still kind of moving here a little bit. That's cool. Tiny bit of movement. It's moving down. Yeah, it's kind of going to the trending down a little bit. I think eventually here it should hit it. I see. I'll turn this into a 15-minute chart. So even the 15-minute chart, look at that. It still looks bearish that it's going down. Just hopefully once we're in, hopefully it doesn't go down too far. Like you said, like if we have a tight stop, it should be just fine. It looks like a river. I know, right? I just gotta have a tiny, tiny bit of patience, and I think it'll get there eventually. It will flip and get there. Momentum short term to the downside, what it looks like here. Hell yeah. Yeah, for sure, a good scalp. Whoa, excuse me. Damn. Flipping, sneezing. Whoa, whoa. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that screen, to the gold screen, see where it's at. The micro gold. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the bless you. Thanks, man. Just a little bit more left. Hopefully it'll hit here soon. With this chart here, you could play the hill climber game, you know, where you use a car and it, like drives up and it, like falls. Yeah, yeah. Okay, well, while that one's loading, I might check out maybe some stocks a little bit. Let me see. Let me check out maybe Tesla. See what Tesla's up to for at the moment, just to kind of have an idea what some other stocks and companies are doing. So Tesla, obviously down 1% for the day. Overnight's up 0.05. So yeah, like right now the momentum on that thing is kind of sort of halfway towards the downside. Might do some more dipping before it decides to go back up, looks like. Let me see. Maybe check out Bitcoin. See what Bitcoin looks like. If you drove a car on it, you would fall and still. Maybe, right? Maybe. If this candle or next 15-minute candle should hit target. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Just a tiny bit of patience. I think it will be there. 4298. Okay, the Bitcoin thingy looks like it's kind of holding up for now. It's not doing too bad. Micro gold. I'll check Walmart real quick. Okay, Walmart's still kind of up. So yeah, I'll just not do anything with the Walmart thingy. Eventually, if it's gonna dip, I'll probably buy the dip or get a call option and write it from like $100 to $115. That would be kind of like a decent play. But for now, it's kind of for me too high to do anything with that thingy. Maybe get a put on there or something. Excuse me. Or Microsoft Spy. I yeah, Spy thingy might be kind of decent, but right now we're kind of trying to do this one. I could look at Spy, see what it kind of looks like. The flippin' Spy thingy. So yeah, I think it'll probably be trending downward. The Spy thingy. Right now it looks like it's kind of trending up a little bit. I see. I gotta change this into like 1 hour for now, just to kind of see the bigger picture. But it looks like it's starting to kind of trend downward. Over here looks kind of bullish that it's heading up, but I for some reason think, obviously not financial advice, I think it might go down a little bit. Hopefully to let others have your money sector. You hopeful to let others have your money sector. Weird. Weird stuff. Let's see. Type in Apple or Elon Musk or Microsoft. Just a tiny bit more patience, and I think you should get there. 16.3x. Hell yeah. I'll have a lot of money. All in 0 DTE, trust the process. All in 0 DTE, trust the process. That's funny. Bitcoin, would you buy at this price and hold to get profit before Christmas? Well, obviously, like, I'm not a financial advisor on here. I can't say what to buy, hold, or sell, but Bitcoin, it's kind of unpredictable and volatile. Anything could happen with this thing. Like I literally don't know what it's gonna do before Christmas. Whether it's gonna go up, down, or whatever. I can't say. Nobody really knows exactly. Could make the best educated potential guess, but doesn't mean that it's gonna 100% happen. Is this illegal to steal money from companies? what we're doing, that's not stealing money from companies. That's actually making money. But stealing is illegal, yes. But trading is not stealing. If that's what is that what you think? That's funny. Oh man, it's flippin' funny. Maybe I should toss the paper and see if it'll hit our strike price. Let's see. Let's check it out. Will micro gold hit our strike prices? Let's see. Will micro gold hit our flipping strike prices? Let's see what it says. What? It said no. Look at that. The paper's probably not right though. Let's see. Will we make profits tonight? Oh, I asked if we'll make profits tonight. It said yes. Yeah. Cool, cool. So I guess it said we'll make profits. Let's make some profits. Hell yeah. Hell flipping yeah. Let's make some profits. Oh yeah. I will reach 100K in the next week. Either we'll reject the 50 MA or push through and go higher. Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Hopefully you make your 100K there. Wondering for treasure. Make a paper airplane. That's funny. Paper airplane. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the paper. Is micro gold futures the best futures play? Let's see. Is micro gold futures the best futures play? Okay, so it said no. It's probably right. It knows that it's not the best. It's one of the best, but a lot of them are like. I'm gonna ask the silver. Is silver the best futures play? Let's see. Micro silver. Okay, micro silver. It said no. Okay, so is normal futures uh, the best one out of the futures? Let's see, not the micro. Okay, so it said the normal futures gold is better. Okay, so it kind of makes sense. Kind of interesting. I think so. Oh, I could ask it if it would go higher tomorrow. Future. Yeah, that's the thing that we're trading. It's the futures contract. Strike price coming in this candle. Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Okay, let me see. Let me throw the paper. Would it go higher tomorrow? Let's see what it says. Would it go higher tomorrow? Let's see. Answer to that question. It said yes. The paper said yes. It said it would go higher tomorrow. Okay, hell yeah. It said that it'll go higher tomorrow. Cool, cool. Send. Where to go? 4359. Possibly. I could ask the paper if it go to 4359, right? Let's see. Would it go to 4359? Let me see what it says. Would it go to 4359? Okay, it said no. It said that it wouldn't go to 4359. It said no on that for that at the moment. No on that for that at the moment. Kind of is what it is a little bit. Yes, you get more money tomorrow. I know, right? For sure, for sure, for sure. More money, hell yeah, right? Okay, it's getting closer. It's getting closer to our strike price. For 295. Just a tiny bit more left to go. 4295. Come on there, gold. You could do it. You could flip and do it. I know the gold could reach it. It could reach it. It could do it. More money tomorrow. Hell yeah. check something out over here. Let's see. Looks like it's moving there, getting closer, getting a little bit closer. 4295. Yeah, I think gold went up a lot because like the market's kind of going down a little bit, and people are going into the gold because it's obviously it's a safer place, to park the money for a little bit. So that's what them pedestrians are doing. That's what them people are doing. They be parking their money in a safe place. They be parking their money in a safe place, sort of halfway a little bit, because some of it might keep on tanking. Obviously, not financial advice, but short term, some companies, ETFs or whatnot or whatever might keep on tanking a little bit. So then peeps got to be careful. It's not a for sure thingy, not financial advice, but some things might keep on tanking. Gold might keep on going up. Yes, like a spider waiting for a nasty. I know, right? What's ladder means? Trade ladder on Robinhood. Oh, ladder, that means like to trade futures on ladder. You could trade it from here, like buy and sell. Over here, you could actually trade futures from this type of chart. So it's kind of like a ladder chart because it looks like a ladder. So you buy here, you sell here, and then you kind of see the flow, of like who's buying, like what volumes type deals and stuff like that. You know, so that kind of helps track the deal. Yeah, for sure. Cool bird. Cool bird. Drink my mate here for a little bit. Um, Cheers. Yummy drink. Cheers to all the traders, midnight traders. Oh no, my mate drink is empty. Oh well, it is what it is. Still got some coffee and tea and other stuff. Hell yeah. Mm. Hell yeah, still got some coffee. Good stuff. Need the caffeine to stay up and keep on trading. It's 8:30 p.m. in LA. Oh, nice. Over here, it's the same thing. See the timer over there in the corner. It's the same thing. 8:37 p.m. right here. I'm in Washington State. I'm in Washington State right now, so it has the same time as LA and Oregon and all that stuff. I had a jasmine milk tea. I'm jacked now. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That sounds good. Healthy stuff and good stuff. I like it. Jasmine milk tea. Hell yeah. Good stuff. 11:37 Pennsylvania, USA. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's later over there. So Pennsylvanians are in the future. Like over here in Washington, like we're kind of in the past a little bit. It's going to get there very soon, Nicky. I got Trading View open. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Thank you there. Thank you, Wondering for Treasure. Hell yeah. I'll be following you, my man. I'll be following you. Jack is my name. Cool. Well, nice to meet you, Jack. Hopefully you learn some trading skills. Because over here we be trading. we be making money in the stock market, just like Jack. That's funny. Hell yeah. Tiny bit more to wait, but I think it'll get there soon. Let me see here. Oh, I have no idea. Let me see if I go to that GLD. GLD, check this thing out real quick just to kind of better have a fine-tuned chart a little bit. I can switch back and forth. But it's awesome that you have the, what do you call it, a trading view thingy on to kind of see the better details. Question mark? I'm not sure there. Hit the screen button up top to have a pop-up screen. Hit the screen button up top. Oh, screen button up top. Oh, that's actually from this view, right? This thingy. Oh, so then we could view it like this, right? Oh, then it disappears. I need to learn how to trade so we can do other stuff while we wait. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. For sure, other stuff while we wait. But this thing, it just has the screen over here, but it won't let me really do anything with this screen. I could look at it. It kind of follows the exact same thing that's over here, I think. Let's see. Yeah, but I'm not doing it. Just fine. It's but y'all now look at this chart. See, kind of what the momentum looks like. Okay, let's check this. Put it to the. So it looks like some tiny bit of momentum is picking up towards the upside a little bit, but I think it's probably still gonna bounce back to our area, I think. Excuse me. Let's see. So this is. It's my autocorrect, so if it says something wrong, it is my autocorrect. Oh, okay. Autocorrect messing up a little bit. Makes sense. Makes sense. Let's see here. Maybe I'll go check out some other chart here real quick. I think just for a little bit, I'm gonna see what do you call it? Bitcoin looks like again. So far Bitcoin's holding up a tiny bit. What do you and Paper think about BMNR? Well, what I think about the BMNR, I think it's kind of a decent play for the long term. I kind of like it for the long term. Short term, it might dip, but I could ask the Paper, what Paper thinks. I kind of like it for the long term. Let's see. Is BMNR a buy for the long term? Let's see what the Paper says. And the Paper said yes. The Paper thinks the same thing. It fell on yes. So yeah, for the long term, I think it's a good buy. Just my opinion, not financial advice, but I like it for the long term. I have some of it, like a couple $100 or something, or $300 worth of it. But I like it for the long term. The Paper kind of agrees. Short term, it could dip, it could do whatever. But if it dips, might maybe get a tiny bit more. But kind of we'll see, I guess, right? Yeah, it's in a tight appendage. Should go up though after it tests the bottom of the pendant around the strike price. Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Let's see, I'll go back to the gold thingy, the micro gold. Do Apple please? I mean, should we buy? Uh, um, should we buy what? Which one are you talking about there? LBFC1 PC. Okay, I guess we could check the MSTR, right? See how that looks like. MSTR while we're waiting for our strike to hit. Okay, so the MSTR, I don't have a lot of that one. Whatever I got, it's down 21.63%. But I could look at the chart, see what the chart kind of looks like. By GAYR. Okay, let's see. Four hours, kind of downtrending a little bit right now. Yeah, obviously I can't say what to buy, hold, sell, anything, nothing like that, but I could look at the chart and see what it kind of looks like, but that's kind of sort of halfway about it. Kind of sort of halfway about it. Let's see, 1 hour. Let's do the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour. Kind of looks like it's trending up here a little bit. 1 week, 4 hours looks like it's kind of trending down in this chart. I sold my Bitcoin and bought and I've sold of Fartcoin 5x so far. Oh wow, that's crazy if you did that. That's crazy. Oh man. Crazy, crazy stuff. Okay, micro gold futures still kind of staying in that area for now. It's kind of weird. Oh, the LIL thingy. Hardcoin cryptocurrency. Yeah, like the IQ, like Robinhood doesn't have that. You can't trade that on Robinhood. Doesn't allow it. I already looked it up. Like you might be able to look at the chart, but it doesn't give you the option to buy that. LIL. Oops. Why is it in Russian? LIL. I think that's the wrong one. Yeah, I probably don't have it. LIL. Kind of interesting. Drink some tea a little bit. Tiny bit of the tea drink. How much as you need? How much SUDS do you have? I don't know what you mean by SUDS. Oh, subs. Oh, how much subscribers? I don't know. I think last time I've seen it was like 2,700 or something like that. I don't know, something like that. A little over 2,000. VFC looking good. Yeah, let me see. Let me check out VFC. Oh, nice, nice. He's doing better than most hedge funds. That's funny. You're doing good. Oh, hopefully I'm doing good. Okay, VF, like it looks like you said is doing good. Maximum it's up, which is nice. Let's look at the chart, see what the chart looks like right now. Okay, change this to 1 day, change this to, let's see, actually 1 hour is good. Okay, one day, 1 hour, that looks kind of, what do you call it? Looks kind of bullish at the moment. Testing the top of the pendant now. It should go down now to test the bottom at strike price. It's just tight price action, so it's taking forever. Oh, it makes sense. It makes sense. Okay, I'll go back to that right now. But yeah, this one looks like it's kind of bullish. Looks like the momentum's picking up. But over here it's like testing the thing. It looks like nice, nice. 1 day, so tomorrow, yeah. I know, right? Nice to get Bitcoin at a discount, like or any other good stock at a discount, for sure. Oh yeah. But yeah, but the momentum on this VF thingy, whatever this is, looks like it's positive to the upside, kind of. Obviously not financial advice, but kind of what it looks like. Let me see. I'll add this to my watch list. One of the watch list. Let me see. I'm gonna toss the paper and see what if it tells us to buy it or not. But just in a second. So it has a dividend, which is pretty cool too, kind of. Maybe I should read about it a little bit. Read about the company. See what the company is all about. Oh, trading money with Apple. Yeah, I could try. I could try that in a little bit. Okay, let me read about the company here real quick. VF Corp engages in the business of producing and marketing apparel, footwear, and accessories. It operates through the following segments: outdoor, active work, and other. The outdoor segments include authentic, outdoor-based lifestyle brands such as performance-based and outdoor apparel, footwear, and equipment. The active segment focuses on active-based lifestyle brands, including active accessories. The work segment offers work and work inspired lifestyle brands. Okay, so it's that type of stuff. Looks pretty decent, you know. Looks pretty decent. Let me ask the paper. Like, let's see, is VFA buy? Let's see what it says. Is flipping VF a buy? Let us see. Should should I buy VF? Let's see what it says. And it said yes. It said flipping yes. Mwahaha. Yeah. Okay, I guess if it said yes, I gotta try to buy at least a tiny bit of some of it, a little bit at least, like something, sort of halfway something at least, sort of halfway something at least, maybe get like change this into dollars, and maybe get $3 worth of this thingy. Boom, there we go. Okay, now since we bought this thingy, now I could flip and go to a different thingy. I could go to flippin' Apple, and I could flippin' try to flippin' buy a flippin' Apple. Boo, got a cyber apple. Hell yeah. Now it's time to eat it. Cool, cool. We bought an apple. One apple a day keeps 10 doctors away, keeps you healthy. Health is wealth, that's what them people say. At least some of them people say that, so it's all cool, it's all chill. El Pollo Loco, I know, right? For sure, for sure. Hey, hello, Nicky. Can you ask the magic paper? Should you buy 10 US dollar of Bitcoin right now? I could ask it. uh, I'm probably not gonna buy it right now, but I could ask it. Okay, let's see. Is Bitcoin a buy right now? Let me ask it. Is Bitcoin a flippin' buy right now? What does the flippin' paper think? So at the moment, the paper said no. See, it landed on the chair thingy. Maybe because it might go down some more and you don't want to buy it when it's down, but at the same time, nobody knows for sure. But at least that's what the paper said. I tossed the paper, and at the moment, it kind of sort of halfway said no. I guess sometimes the patience is needed to purchase something a little bit, right? It's a solid no. Yeah, that's definitely what it looked like. Oh man, good stuff, good stuff. Pollo loco for sure, right? Darn it. SSRM, EXK, VZLA, PAAS. These are expected to 4x in next 2 months. Silver market expected to be destroyed. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Your haircut looks good. Oh, thank you there, Mortar Messiah. Thank you. I cut my hair myself. Like I usually do my own hair. Ask paper again. Maybe it's time to buy Pollo Loco. I'll wait to go down. I'll wait to go down. Let's see. I could ask it, but like right now, like I'm not gonna be buying it. But I could ask it. See what the paper thinks. You know. Is it flipping time to buy Pollo Loco, the crazy chicken? Is it time to buy it? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it thinks. And the paper said no. I think the paper knows better. I think the paper knows what's up. It don't want to be like attached to a weird, crazy chicken. It's like running away from it, sort of halfway. It's flipping afraid of it like crazy hell. Paper silver destroyed by governments. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's flipping crazy. Let's see, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this thingy here just in case. Okay. Okay, so I purchased the Apple, so I gotta get out of the Apple screen. I'll probably put it back to the GLD screen just to kind of have a slightly different screen in the background. This thing, you take a little quick look at this, how this looks like. Okay, 1 day, and then go to the 1 minute to kind of see what the fine movement of this thingy is. So yeah, it's kind of testing it. So see how it kind of bounces around, but I think eventually it should hit it. I think eventually it kind of sort of halfway should. KFC, that's funny. Yes, KFC should invest in the World Cup sponsorship, bro. Silver will 3x, 5x silver mining companies would be double that due to liquidation of short contracts. Oh wow, I could see silver going up like crazy. That's pretty cool. Oh, it will soon, I promise. Nice, nice. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's check out the KFC. Okay, so I guess it doesn't have it because if I that's the KG KFC. See, it doesn't have it. It only has the Yum stuff. So the closest that it had was KGC. Maybe see what's up with the KGC thingy. That's kind of the closest. And then like let's see, like a trade buy. I go like I think that amount might do it, and then is it gonna following the trend? It might explode it to the upside potentially, but obviously I won't do that. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Vini, ¿qué es? ¿Tú sabes malas palabras? Sí, sí, yo sé bastante malas palabras. No, no tan demasiado, pero bastante, sí. No, my chickens, no. That's funny. Oh, man. Pinche pollo loco, pendejo, pinche güey. Qué raro, qué malo, güey. ¿Cuál es tu favorito? Mi favorito es... no sé, no sé qué es mi favorito. No, literally, I do not know what my favorite is. I really, like, literally, like, quite literally, like, don't know. Like, insanely, hell of a insane don't know type deal. I wish I kind of knew, but I don't know what my favorite is. I kind of sort of flipping halfway don't know. Oh, man. It kind of is what it is, but I guess we got to have some patience, right? Let's see. I'm gonna flip in sell one right now. Go for it. Sell one right now. See what happens. See what it does. There. Boom. Sold. Let's see what it do. I sold one right now. Oh no. What's gonna happen? What's gonna flipping happen? Exit all. Order failed. Is it gonna fill? I did a sell. Then once it's ready, I could buy it back and see what happens, right? Let's see. Why am I in the mood for some orange juice and taco? I know, right? That's funny. That's flipping funny. No, maybe because I shorted this thing, maybe I messed up the whole deal with the trade. Now it probably they saw one order coming in. They're like, "What the hell is this?" I messed up the whole deal. Hopefully I didn't, but regardless, I could wait a tiny bit. If it gets into a little bit of a profit, I could get kind of sort of halfway get out of it. Some micro scalp, right? A tiny little micro scalp or a macro scalp or whatever you call it. Okay. Ah, good coffee, yummy. No, you're fine, Nicky. It's just in a tight pendant and keeps testing the top of it. Oh, I see, I see. Makes sense. It sure does make sense. Just we gotta need some patience with it. It's just me. I'm the impatient one that got into a random short. Oh man. We'll see what it does. Invest in Grupo Televisa SAB Adrenalize TV. Huh, that's interesting. Something gonna give soon. Not a bad play while we wait. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, thank you there. Thank you there. In Grupo Televisa. I'm not sure if they have something like that. I could check it out a little bit later. But right now I'm kind of trying to see where to close this trade if I have to. Let's see. Let's see. It keeps on changing. Let's see what the price is now. 4298.1. 4298.1. Okay. I love money. Yum. That's funny. Hell yeah. How much is the fee to buy and sell futures gold contract? Let's see. Well, on here, so for example, if I buy one, over here the fee, commission 50 cents and total regulatory and exchange fee 62 cents. So you're saving 25 cents with gold. That's what it says on here. That's kind of sort of halfway what it says on there. Good stuff. Good stuff. I've been looking for a good person who actually is teaching me something on YouTube. Oh, nice, nice. So about $3 for buy and sell, roughly probably something like that. Kind of not too cheap. So the futures are kind of expensive, but if you do other type of trades like stock purchase and other stuff, it's not too bad. Yeah, you tech more than my teacher. Tech more than my teacher. That's funny. A crazy chicken. I know, right? For sure. Pinche pollo loco, como loco, pinche güey. Pollo no tan humilde, pinche güey. So sometimes in the stock market, patience is key, right? If you don't have patience, That's when like not very good things happen. So a tiny bit of patience, things should go okay, I guess. At least kind of sort of halfway okay. This is dope. That's funny. Oh man. Flipping them tech trader stuff. Like teachers don't teach kids how to make money in life. Yeah, because they don't want to. Because the government tells them not to teach people about stuff like that. They want people to be poor their whole life, and work and grow the economy. You know, and some of the people get out of that type of rat race and do their own thing and trade and make extra money. But they try to hide that from the average people. They don't want people to know that you could make a lot more money elsewhere and doing other things like this. Put user inside. I got rid of that one doofus there. Flippin' trolls. Flippin' asshole trolls be trolling. I got rid of that doofus. Yes, I'm trading after hours. This is futures. This is futures where the market is open like 23 hours a day. So that's what I'm trading on right now, the micro gold futures on Robinhood. But yeah, that's this is after hours. The main market is closed. Can you do that on Fidelity? I'm not sure if you can because I've never traded on Fidelity. Let's see, I'll take a screenshot of this thing because eventually I'm gonna report that one evil doofus that was locked. I'm gonna later report him. Make sure, what do you call it? YouTube gets rid of that guy. But yeah, so I put that doofus on timeout. The one doofus. If we traded Bitcoin instead, at least we could made something though. Probably, right? It last you are teaching us all how to get money. I'm not really teaching anything much here. I'm just kind of trading. That's about it. This pennant is so tight, bro. Haha, it's insane. I know, right? For sure it is. It's moving Bitcoin is 82 300. Oh wow. That's crazy. We'll see where it flipping moves. It's kind of bouncing around a little bit. You wish it was 82 LOL. I know, right? 82 would be better, kind of. Liquidations are bad now. Oh, wow. I don't know. Moves to the USA or where Nicky lives. Well, I live in the United States. I live in Washington. In Washington State. Let's see. What are we hoping for here? Well, we're hoping to go down a little bit to either hit the 4,295 to start going long from here, like scalp. But while I'm in a scalp, I actually was impatient, so I got into a short position. So I'm kind of down on this trade, $22. But yeah, we're trying to make it go down a little bit more to go long a little bit here. We're trying to have some patience to get that. Hoping for $1 billion. That's funny. It's stuck at 92,300 for 2 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, it's like trading sideways for such a long time, like crazy. It's funny. Just gotta have some patience. Tiny bit of patience. Drinking from my flippin' Marvel coffee mug. Cheers to the trading people. Good stuff. Gotta have caffeine to stay awake to trade. Hell yeah, cheers, cheers. It is 12:15 for me. Oh wow, 12:15. It's a little bit later over there than it is over here. When you feed your Ethereum or XRP, I follow you. Okay. Oh, nice. So you're following me? But when I do that, it's obviously not financial advice. I do that for me though, not for you guys to copy the same thing. And I get small amounts too, so it's, you know, not too risky. So please let us know. Oh, okay, okay. Do you ever get on X spaces? What's X spaces when you feel like it? Oh, yes, yes, for sure. Have you done trading for antimatter? I'm not sure what that is. What is antimatter? Yeah, okay. Oh, what is? I don't think I have because I've never heard about it. Antimatter. Copy you, boss. Okay, cool, cool. There, that'll be cool, cool. The paper gives us financial. That's funny. Oh man, that's funny. Let's see what the ladder looks like. It's not this thing. Oh, why did I do that? Micro gold futures. Back to this thingy. I'll see what the ladder looks like. How many different superhero can you name on your mug? Oh, let me see. I'm not sure how many I could name, but I could show the cup and you could see who's on there. So yeah, I'm gonna spin the cup around. There it is. You could probably name all of them, but so kind of pretty basic superheroes, right? Explore the cup. Many repeat. Yep. Yep, for sure. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, buy their shale price. But anyways, and then this one has a Spider-Man, so this is the only one that's on this cup. Just two Spider-Mans, one in the back and one in the front. Two Spideys. Let's see. Make sure to go live tomorrow. I'm going to bed. Okay, I usually go live every day. How is your loss? Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, this one right here, it's at 46, but the other one, yeah, it's pretty decent, but not too bad. Not the end. Easy, easy time travel. Nice, nice. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Probably wait a little bit more for this one. I might have to get out of this one before it goes too far, because let me see here. Yep. Always lost money on the gold. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Lost, I mean lose. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, gold thing is kind of crazy. Oh, reverse gold position? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if it changed anything. So I'll probably cancel all. Okay, so that one's the one that was in is all out. So I'll probably get out of all of them or wait, go back. Your payout is available. Oh, that's interesting. So let's see. And the paper, that's funny. But let's see. So the ones I got here, I probably could get out of this one, right? Cancel. I could cancel this one, I guess, right? And start going up. Okay, so I'll cancel, what do you call it? I'll cancel this one right now because I don't think it'll hit that price. So I'll cancel this thingy. Ask the paper if, oh, that's funny. Okay, so I got rid of that one trade thingy, but I don't know if I should go longer. Let me see. So the one I got here is the 4304.3 to short it from there, but I'm not sure if it'll reach that though. It's about to start heading back down, but do what you think is right. Nicky. Okay, it's all good, no worries. Let's do BTC. Hope you win some good money, but be careful. I lost 10 million on Bitcoin trading futures. Future. Oh wow, that's crazy. To lose 10 million, that's a lot to lose. That's crazy, but yeah, we're trying to, instead of lose money, we're trying to make money a little bit, see what happens. I guess you can lose 10 million in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that's possible. That's crazy though. Okay, order filled. Oh, what kind of order filled? One of the orders I had that was filled. I'm not even sure which one that got filled. That's weird. Oh, maybe it's just delayed. One of the orders that I had it filled. Okay, I see. It's nothing active. It's just uh the alert thingy is just taking time. Oh, on Tradeovate. This right here, this is on Robinhood. So just in case if it dips down some more, I could probably do another buy order. Let's see, limit order buy one at what price was that for 395, I guess. Oh no, for 295, I guess, or something. Oh, it's close to hitting my other what do you call it? Oh, now it failed. The one that I was trying to short it from, it finally hit that. See? The other thing that I had, the one I was trying to get into the short, it hit that. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last in this one. I'm all in. Huh? So 4,295. Oh, okay, 4,295. So you think it'll probably head down that way, right? Well, right now, like it got into my short, but gotta come down soon a little. It was 3900 a few weeks. Oh wow, I see. But gotta come down. Yeah, it should get there. My target is 4294. Oh, I see, I see. But yeah, I'm just right now like it hit my target price to ride the wave down a little bit. Hopefully it goes to the one that you're saying, the 4294. That'll be a okay scalp towards that point. Uh, Yummy teas. You could also take the safer profit at 4297 since it didn't go lower than that last time. It tested the bottom of the pendant. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, thank you there. Wondering for treasure. I'll probably try to do that. Once it reaches that, at least some profit will be better than none, right? For sure, probably try to do that. It's like a live podcast where people can come up and chat. I know, right? For sure. You use any tool so to see like RSI and stuff all. I usually have some of that like on my other charts, like for the ETFs and stocks. But for this one, it doesn't really let you do that. This is pretty much all there is. If you click on this chart, you could switch to line or candlestick. That's about it on the futures. Then you could do this thingy here, but this is all it does for the most part. But like I do have trading views. Sometimes I open that and have some extra stuff on that. The other trading view thingy. Trade New York Open. It's going up micro gold future. So what's the target again? Let's see. Well, I don't have a target. I was trying to actually go down with it, but it looks like it's moving up though. It's doing the opposite. Yeah, it is probably going to 4,310. What it looks like. Then maybe 4,315, pressing he up. Yeah, looks like it's working its way up a little bit. It was below 2,900 a year ago. Oh wow, that's crazy. Haha, my sleeping pills kicked in. That's funny. First, let's see. First target would be 313 or 317 if I was long. Oh, I see. Yeah, right now like it's going against my trade because I'm shorting it. It hit my price point where I was like shorting it and went above instead of going down after it hit the price. Ugh. Oh, excuse me. Uh, Good night, best of luck. I subbed. You seem like an awesome guy. Oh, thank you there, HRK. Oh, thank you, man. Have a good night. Thanks, man. Thank you. Have a good one. Have a good night. Welcome to the bonfire. I know, right? For sure. A 15-minute would close under 296. I would short until 272. Oh, I see. Yeah, yep. Is is it the same like trading a gold? Well, kind of the same thing like trading gold. It's just micro gold futures, but the chart kind of moves the same. It's just different type of market, different type of everything, But the market pretty much is kind of the same. Let's see, it will get pushed back down. Watch. Oh, nice, nice. Hell yeah. I'm gonna flip and add some flipping more water to my mate drink, to my South American mate drink. I know that's not how you're supposed to drink it, but I don't have hot water with me, so I'm gonna drink it with cold water. It'll kind of be better than nothing a little bit. Still good stuff. Still kind of good stuff. Yummy. Yummy stuff. Marker gold is $1 tick opposed to $10 tick. I'm not sure the exact details, but I think so. Let me see here. If I go to this thingy, so yeah, here the multiplier is 10, tick size 1, so 16.3 x. That's kind of like what it looks like on that thingy. Time to go down now. Oh, nice, nice. Hell yeah. Oh, oops. Are you trading at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow morning or going to work? Me, I'll see. I might trade in the morning, or maybe I'll work. I'll see how I feel, what I decide to do. Kind of not 100% sure. But yeah, it's either gonna be work or trade. One of the two. Guess one day at a time. I'll figure it out tomorrow, I guess. I'm still not 100% sure. Maybe I should throw the paper. Should I trade tomorrow morning 6:30 or do construction tomorrow morning 6:30? Live highlights. Flipping cyber campfire. So we need some marshmallows. I gotta bring a marshmallow. Like put a candle in here. Like let the candle burn, and I could toast a marshmallow over that candle fire. It's gonna make a more. It's gonna make it seem like more realistic campfire type deal. But it'd be kind of weird, like marshmallow melted over a candle fire. It might make it kind of waxy. Maybe might not make it taste that great, but it'd be kind of weird. Maybe we trade Nvidia. Ling long. Oh, Nvidia long. Well, like I'm not sure if I'll trade it long tomorrow. Obviously, it's not financial advice on here, but I think it might dip. Maybe I don't know. Not sure, but before it goes up, long term, I know it's gonna go up. Short term, a whole bunch of stuff might dip before the Santa rally starts. To shake out a whole bunch of people from their trades or whatever. So that's just what I think, what I'm guessing. I think that's why gold is going up. The whole bunch of institutions and everybody they know that like they'll be selling off from their other stuff and they're putting it in gold, which is pumping gold like crazy right now. That's why it's going up. And so the other markets they could be dipping like that's just my guess. I'm not 100% sure. It's just what I kind of think will happen. Yeah, construction is 100% money in your hand. Oh yeah, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just right now. Like I mean, everybody could do like obviously what they want to do, but Nvidia like in general, I think that's just my opinion. I'm not saying it's gonna happen for sure, but I think a lot of stuff will be going down. Like overnight, it's already kind of dipping. Let's see, just because like a lot of times they try to shake people off, like these big companies, Nvidias, the ETFs, the spies, QQQs, and everything. That's why I think they're selling out of that. They're going into gold, which is pumping that up. So that's just my opinion. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but kind of what it looks like a little bit. So right now on the 1 week chart, looks like it has some more dipping on the Nvidia. See, 1 week chart looks kind of weak. The momentum towards the downside here, the momentum towards the downside there. But like anything can happen. Like you see one thing, the opposite could happen. Nobody knows 100%. But me personally, I think it's kind of risky to go long in Nvidia at the moment. Maybe if it dips some more. I mean, I do have a call option, and the more it dips, the more I'll be in the negative on it. You know, it's not like I want it to go down, but that's kind of what it looks like. But nobody knows though, for sure. But at the same time, obviously, it's not financial advice because anything could happen. I'm just kind of saying what I personally think could happen. But I mean, it won't hurt if you add a little bit. If it is gonna go down, if you add a little bit, just dollar cost average, you could dollar cost average anytime. That won't hurt. But to like make a big bet on the move, it's kind of more risky. That's kind of what my point is. It's kind of funny. It's taking its sweet time to get to the 295 area or 294 area. Take out a mortgage on your house in full port. Funny. OMG, are you the Buffett? Are you the Buffett? That's funny. Yes, I'm Mr. China Buffett. Hey everybody. Hey there, GTIM. Yup. Oh man. Welcome to this flippin' cyber campfire. Enjoy the cyber flames and the heat that it provideth type deal. It was 176 this morning. Oh, which one was that 176 this morning, LB? Was it the NVIDIA or what was it? Let's see where the numbers will go. There we go. Now it's time to dump. Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'll be back in a second. Gotta go use the restroom. Okay, I am back. Looks like it's still at the 308. I think it'll try to make it back down a little bit, I guess. Oh yeah, Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia original price before splitting, it's 85,920. Oh wow, that's a pretty big price there. That's crazy. Now we just gotta be a tiny bit patient and wait for it to drop some more. Waiting for a little drop. That's about it. It's curving over. Oh, nice, nice. Let me check this chart here. If I do the GLD here, GLD, and see what this advanced chart looks like. So that's 1 minute. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like over there. See the green a little bit starting to dip. You can see the red going in that. Yeah, looks like it's trying to make its way down a little bit. Oops, I didn't mean to do that one. Oopsies. But now I could go out from that and go to this. Panel, I'm going to in and out easy. Oh. Looks like it's trying to go down a little bit, just a tiny bit. Do another sell. Okay, trade. Let's see. So I'll try to get, if I do another sell, I'll probably do limit order one. Maybe do one at 4309, maybe. 09.3, maybe if it hits that. For 4309.3, if it hits that, maybe from that point. Okay, awesome, awesome. If it hits that, cool. If not, then I guess it is what it is. But I think it should. It almost got there. Let's see. With this daily, you should probably trade on a lower time frame. LOL. If you are scalping, don't use a daily low. Well, over here on this is the only type of chart that you have on here, for the futures. Like on the normal, like ETF or stock, you get a better chart, but on the futures, that's pretty much all you have. That's why sometimes I switch back to another chart just to kind of look at it better. Like I go to the ETF chart on Robinhood, or I look at Trading View. But right now, I'm just kind of looking at this and following a trade, trying to make work. I guess we'll see what happens. But yeah, this daily chart. Okay, looks like it hit my price target. Okay, so now I got two contracts. You gotta pay CME data on TradingView if you want live data. It's only like $7 a month. Oh, I see. Yeah, the TradingView I have, it's a free TradingView. I don't pay for the TradingView that I got. Oh, is the data delayed? On my TradingView, yeah, it is delayed because it's free. I could show that probably later. Right now, we're just kind of trying to follow this chart, see what it does, because I'm in a trade right now. Everything is going up. I'm not sure by PAVS. Yes, I'm shorting it right now. Like I got like a couple of positions right here. So right here I got, it says two contracts. One I got lower and one I got slightly higher. But yeah, I got two in there right now. I got two in there right now, and I guess we'll see what happens, right? Look up book map shows you resting orders in that, but there are Y2 live stream shows you the liquidity in the market. Oh, nice, nice. I'll take a screenshot of this so I could save that information. Little screenshot here. Actually, I'm probably gonna plug in my phone so it doesn't die. I also gotta plug in my phone. Excuse me. Get my charger, plug in my phone, so it doesn't fully die on me here. Phone plug-in time. Okay, I plugged in the phone. Hell yeah. Now it's plugged in. Hopefully it's all good. Overbought right now. It's going to wipe long soon. Oh, nice, nice. Hell yeah. Flippin' hell yeah. Just sometimes a little bit of patience needed, that's all. Tiny bit of patience and all be good. I'm gonna drink some yummy mate, South American drink. Some yummy coffee. Some tea. Yummy. Hell yeah, flipping retracing. It work, I know, right? That's funny. This is the eyeball floating around, flipping eyeball, zooming in the eyeball. Woo. Good stuff, good stuff. Ugh. Circospa coin. I haven't heard of that one. That's kind of interesting. Circospa coin. Sounds kind of quite a bit interesting. Unga Bunga Evolution. Unga Bunga Cowabunga Evolution. Hell yeah. Yeah. Rug pull coin. Yep, for sure, for sure. For flipping sure. Flipping, hell yeah, for sure. It be dipping, hell yeah. Let it be dipping some more, a tiny bit more. Oh, that's cool. SpaceX is about to be public. That'll be cool. If it gets public, I'd probably want to trade that thingy. Seems kind of interesting. SpaceX to the moon, or to Mars, quite literally. Let's see, would you think that Bitcoin is going up and the BTS is going up and gold is going up together? I mean, sometimes they go up together, you know. Are they correlated? So like Bitcoin is going up and BTS is going up and gold is going up together. They probably are kind of going up together. I'm not exactly 100% sure how that works, but I assume so. Maybe somebody here in the chat knows a little bit better about it than I do. No, micro gold futures going higher. I'm noticing that Bitcoin moved from 92,300 to 92,400, and Nvidia also went like a few cents higher. Oh, I see, I see. Bitcoin is dictated by the highest holders. Bitcoin dictated by the highest holders. I see. Drink some flippin' mate. Flippin' cheers and have a sip of my mate drink. And I'm flipping out of my mate drink. Gotta refill it. Ah, good stuff, yummy stuff. Bye, Sharon. Okay, I guess I could add a tiny bit more water to this thingy. Tiny bit more water to this thingy. I'm watering my tree, my Palo Santo tree, so I could drink from it. Good stuff, healthy stuff a little bit, kind of sort of halfway. Where do you see silver futures in the next year? Let's see. It will go around server. Bitcoin is dedicated by the highest of the hosts. It could be just bot running the entire deal. What app are you on? Me, I'm on Robinhood right now. The Robinhood app. That's the one I'm using. Yeah, silver like probably might go higher next year. It kind of usually does, but not 100% of the time. But obviously not financial advice. But I think silver probably might move higher next year potentially. Not financial advice. Hey there, C Jackson. Coffee, tea, and now yerba mate. At this point, I watch less for investments and more to see how much caffeine you can consume in the night. That's funny. That Eclipse and Trite, that's funny. But yeah, I gotta, you know, have enough of the caffeine to stay up. How come each trade is not less than 80K each trade going through its 200K, 300K? Nicky, you may want to consider placing a stop loss for your two contracts. If micro gold breaks out of pendant to upside, it could get expensive. Okay, so kind of like just in case, put what do you call it? A buy up higher than where it's at, right? So pretty much, if I got two of these contracts that sells, I could do a. Let's see, I could do a trade and I could do a buy at a higher price, right? But then they will just try to buy it. Take partial is better. Let's see. Who is trading all this money? How come people enter with all this amount of money? Let's see. Hey there, Lance Briefcase. Not much, not much. Just trading away. Trading away with the future thingy here. How future's been going. Well, doing good. I mean, the last night's trade, I was up and then eventually ended up being down quite a bit, and then like right now, making some money back a little bit. So it's back and forth, up and down, kind of like what the market does. But it's doing good, having fun. The feature thingy here, feature thingy here. I know, right? I do not know when SpaceX will be public. I don't really follow that closely. It would be cool if it's public. I'd probably want to trade that too, but I have no idea. Not easy at all. Fun is what matters. Gotta enjoy the process for sure, for sure. Hell yeah, the Lance Briefcase. Well, what about you? Like, how's the market treating you at the moment, or today, or whatnot? Oh man. Good, good stuff. Hell yeah. Help me understand again. Vicious, my PNL gives me whiplash, and Q has been choppy and all over the place. Oh wow, that's crazy. Yeah, the markets are kind of insane right now. Markets are kind of flipping insane right now. Let's see if I do that thingy there. No, I haven't got the Walmart puts. I just I don't know, didn't feel that was time to do that, but we'll see what how it goes later. But I haven't got those yet. And we're on, hell yeah. But yeah, I'll see where Walmart's at tomorrow. But at the same time, I could do a Walmart put. Looks like cause it did look like it was trending down. But at the same time, because the holidays are coming up, people are gonna be buying a whole bunch of stuff. And if the market dips short term, there is a potential, regardless of what the chart looks like. There's still potential it might try to stay up. So it's still like risky. I mean, if you do a long enough put, should be fine, but it's still kind of risky. I just want some consistency. I'm too crazy. Once I string together a few losers, like autopilot takes over and losses add up. Oh, I see. I see there, Lance Briefcase. And we're on. Hell yeah. Hell flipping yeah. Go down a tiny bit more, a little bit at a time, hopefully. I love even the losses. I'm sick in the head. That's funny. Stick to your schedule and trade limits per day. 4303 exit, I think, to be safe looking at trading view. Okay, so 4303 probably may not go lower, huh? Oh shit, my battery on my phone is kind of dying, so I gotta plug it in. So I gotta unplug this thingy here because I gotta plug my other phone in. Okay, so I gotta take this. I'm gonna plug in my other phone, my other device. Probably have to put it here. Let's see. It's almost dead here. Okay, so this is plugged in here. Alrighty. What do you think of run? I don't know too much about the run thingy. Or maybe somebody here knows more about it. Yeah, that was the previous resistance, but since it went above that, it might use it as support now. Yeah, I keep my daily loss limit pretty low, but I've gone back in to override the loss limit like a complete DJ on tilt. Wow. Honestly, it's in a wild place, so I'm fully out at 4303. Yeah, it's probably safer to be out of the short, at a safer area, because who knows what it's gonna do. Because right now, like the market might be dipping short term, and like the institutions are selling it out of the market and putting a whole bunch of it in gold. That's why it's pumping the gold up like crazy. And the like SPY ETF, Nvidia, and all that weird stuff, like Tesla's gonna start dipping some more. That's just my opinion. And they're putting it short term in the gold and pumping it up, And then once they shake off the weak hands, they're gonna go back into like all those ETFs and like big companies, the Mag Seven and stuff like that. That's just kind of what I think, but I'm not sure. Could be something else. I think it's going to make a big move soon, either up or down when this pendant plays out. You gotta put in shorts before taking longs. 4300 is so high for gold, and silver is even crazier. Have you been profitable trading gold futures? I think that's a tough one to master. Go on vacation, put on sunblock. That's funny. Hey again, Nikki, did you buy gold or not? Did I buy gold or not? Are you talking about like the physical gold? If physical gold, no. The ETF gold, I'm not sure if I got some. I think I have very little, like $1 worth of it or something, because it's kind of at an all-time high. But probably not might not be a very good time to load up on it. If I was to load up on the gold ETF, I'd probably wait for it to go down like quite a bit more. I mean, if you're in it for the super long run, it's probably fine because it's gonna be going up generally. But like, you definitely want to try to get at a better deal if you're trying to get into a gold ETF. That's what I would do. Like I said, I barely have anything in the gold ETF itself. Physical metals, I'm all about stacking coins. Finally, they're valuable. Nice, nice. That's pretty cool. Short question mark. Hmm. What's your position in is the question? Oh, I see. Well, I'm shorting it. Like I got two shorts. See the contract over here? I wasn't sure like what you're talking about there, but I got two contracts. I'm shorting it right now. So two shorts. So at the moment I'm shorting it. Set for 303 to get out unless you want to see if it goes lower. For 303, I think it's a safe spot to get out, because at least some profit's probably better than no profit. Bada bing, bada bong. Scale out with your two contracts. Try to capture all you can if it does drop. Close one, hold other, break even. So you think I should get out of one of my contracts, the one of the shorts? Oh, don't? Okay. He does not seem to be willing to drop anymore. No. Oh. It's being stubborn a little bit. No, not yet. Gold pushes a new all-time high soon. Just hold. Asks paper before any drastic moves. I know, right? That's funny. Let's see. Let me ask the paper. Will gold move down to our price point? Let's see what it says. Will gold move down to our price point? Let's see what it says on this thing. It's the paper said yes, that it'll move down to our price point. Okay, so we just gotta probably be patient and it'll do its thing. It'll flip and kind of sort of halfway totally try to do its thing a little bit, I guess. And we'll see what happens. Paper said that it will do that. Paper flipping said that it'll reach the price point. We'll see how accurate it flipping is this time. Light a white candle. I know, right? Go to Panama. That's funny. Get a wife. I have a wife. Start a family. I do have a family. Patience is everything, but not easy at all. You're right there, Lance Briefcase. Patience is everything. Kinda. Funny flipping stuff. Flipping hell yeah. Just a tiny, tiny bit of patience needed. It's about all. Maybe right now the institutions are looking at us laughing. You're like, look at these guys. They're shorting gold and they're like dumping millions and billions in it right now just to kind of. Just a matter of time. It'll get there. Nice, nice. Yeah, yeah. Matter of flipping time. Oh, excuse me. Uh, oh, damn. Ah. How are you doing on that trade? Well, we're still. I'm not sure which trade you're talking about. But this trade, I'm shorting it. It's kind of going down at the moment, but I guess we'll see how it plays out. I hit this price action, but hopefully it's at top of range and comes back down for your brutal waiting time. I know, right? For sure. Buy spy in the metal, hold, or day trade. Yeah, pretty much in the range. But yeah, like I'm shorting this right now, so right now it's kind of down at the moment, but I guess we'll see what it does. Looks like it's pushing up a little bit more. I see. Day trade if you have to and can't help it. Uh, I'm not sure what time frame I'm playing, but like it's just a micro gold. It doesn't say time frame on here. I mean, it expires January 28, 2026. Right there, it says February 2026 on this futures thing. Hmm. Oh, it stopped out at 4312. Oh, wow. Who, who knows? We don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing because still kind of who knows what it's going to do type deal. It's all a flipping sort of halfway a risky thing still. It might go higher, might go lower, kind of who knows. Maybe it'll dump now. Maybe, hopefully. That'll be cool. Better than casino. I know, right? For sure. At least like with this, you get slightly better odds than the casino, I guess, right? What what's this, bro? Oh, this is trading futures right here. See, I wonder if a lot of retail traders got stopped at 4312, immediate reversal from there. Its indicators are showing overbought, should have some down price action soon. Oh, nice, nice. Get me hip, bro. What do you mean by get me hip, bro? Tell me what's going on. What this I don't understand. Oh, insomnia addict. This is we're trading live. I'm trading live on YouTube like this Robinhood. We're in a futures trade. We're trying to short it, make some money on it, kind of going down for a little bit. I'm just trying to explain it as basic, as easy as possible. Pretty much trading the stock market, the futures, because you could trade it 23 hours a day. So that's what we're doing. We're trading the future stock market thing. And building an AI agent using AI like ChatGPT can recharge, use indicators, and more. It turned my 10K demo account to 30K in 1 month. Oh, wow. Well, if it did that, that's pretty cool. Betting in price going up or down in this situation. Featured as such a blessing. So much noise though and wild price action lately. For sure. I'm testing right now. We'll use it on real account soon. Oh, nice. That's awesome there, official trading pal. How you make so far doing this, if I can ask? Well, it kind of depends. Like, right now in this trade that I'm at, like right here, so it's kind of down right now. See, like the days PNL for this thing is $16.98 PNL, open PNL roughly. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta wait and see what happens, you know. If it goes in your favor, you could make some pretty good money. Just waiting for it to go down a little bit. How much I have to put in? Oh, you mean how much do you have to put in to do this type of trade? Why are you waiting for it to go down? Because when it goes down, we're betting on it to go down. That's where we make the money. See, right now it's going up, and we go more in the negative. If it'll go down, this number will start increasing the profit. So if it goes up, it's not a good thing for us at the moment. You need this to drop soon. Holding above 4310. Get sketchier every minute for your shorts. Oh, for sure, for sure. Hitting 5K. Damn. Looks like it's pushing up. No way 5K is months away, I think. You need a spike down. Yeah, for sure, a spike down would be cool. Would be pretty nice. BTC and TO1. Hello. Oh, hey there. Hey there, I love domain. ask paper if I should go long overnight. I could ask it, but like, be risky if you just listen to the paper though. I would say, is it worth it to go long overnight for the micro gold? Let's see. Is it worth it to go long overnight for the micro gold? Let's see what it says. The paper said no. The paper said no. Flipping paper said no on that thingy. The paper was on. I know, right? It was on. Funny. I know, right? Let me ask the paper. Let's see. Should we get out of our shorts? Let's see. Should we get out of our shorts? Let's see what the paper says. The paper said yes. Flippin', yeah, paper knows something's up. Flippin' paper knows that something's up. Flipping A, man, what in the flippin' beeps is it doing? It'd be curious, vicious, and suspicious, all the weird stuff. uh, the word is no instead of on. Get out now for real. I wish I partially had entered at 4298. I said, okay, so you think it's probably best to get out, right? The paper said we got to get out of the shorts, but it's just the paper talking, you know? Be strong, make diamond hands. No way. Gotta wait a little bit more right there. AVGO. Is it a good time to invest in Web3 domains? Anyone interested? What's your opinion? Paper talk. I know, right? For sure, paper talk. We could go long tomorrow, AVGO. Oh man, some crazy stuff here. Some flippin' crazy stuff. Good times. Good time by the flippin' cyber campfire. Stock market cyber campfire. Nice stuff. Cool stuff. No, just but with what you're spending or buy safe tech stocks or for growth. Good time GM Persian ones tonight. Throw another log on and pass me that thingy again. Yeah. So there goes another log in the campfire, and there goes the thingy passing through. Not sure what thingy, but that thingy, it's right there. Oh man. Good chance it rejects here and goes lower to retest 4303. Hopefully it goes lower here a little bit. It's being kind of sort of halfway crazy here a little bit. Testing all the patience like crazy, huh? Oh, hey there. Shale Price or whatever your name is. Hey. Drink some more water. Drink some more mate. Cheers, cheers. South American tea drink. Yerba mate. Ah, yummy. Um, hey there, how's it going there, Shell Price? Hopefully I said your name right. We still be trading here. Think of a mental stop now. Let's see which one should be a mental stop here. Uh, you win anything at the moment? I'm not winning. See, it's down at the moment, so I'm kind of losing at the moment a little bit. You go to bed now. I think do this tomorrow. Just would suck to take out stop then drop after. It's the only way though. Is this a good stock? This here, this is not a stock. This is futures. This is gold. Wait for bigger drop. What what are your thoughts on streaming, Nick? Has YouTube been kind, or could you care less? It's definitely taking longs. You should go to bed now. Well, YouTube, about YouTube, like YouTube's okay, I guess. Let's see. Assuming, like, has YouTube been kind, or could you care less? No, YouTube so far has been pretty good to me. It's I didn't have any issues. Like when I just started, somebody like flagged or did something with my videos, and I had to fix that. But apart from that one incident, like it's been doing okay. Like so far, no issues. Oh, it's funny. Looks like the momentum potentially could be dying out, but who knows? It's kind of not a sure thing. Oh, oh. Or Washington, Cali time, I meant. I know, right? Let Nick live his life. Live his life. He's in Cali anyway. Yeah, I'm in Washington. Land's briefcase. I'm in Washington State. I can't lie about my bedtime to my parents. Hey there, Hooked on Bass. How's it going, man? How's it going? Yes, I realize that. But no worries. I mean, Cali or Washington, still the same time zone, though. All good. Yep, yep, yep. Sure do. Gold be moving. Gold be keeping on moving. Bouncing around a little bit. See where it goes. What if we get lucky and then gold like see this big move? What if we get lucky all of a sudden it just goes like down like that crazy? That'd be pretty nice. That'll be kind of a good profit. But I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but I'm saying if it would, that'd be pretty cool. You can see the face in the picture. Yeah, I'm not hiding myself. If you think I'm hiding myself, I'm not hiding myself in the corner. Turtle soup corner. Yeah, I'm not hiding myself. I'm just trading. The phone is live streaming and I'm just trading on here. If it dropped like that, money wouldn't matter anymore. I know, right? For sure. That'll be hella nice. That's possible. It's at a big resistance for the day. Oh, wow. That's crazy. And I. Explain yourself? What do you mean explain yourself? I'm just trading live on YouTube. That's all I'm doing. Oh, not me. I just be chilling on YouTube, trading live. That's all I'm doing. Doing the cyber campfire thingy. Having us trading people chill by the cyber campfire. Hello, I'm just poking fun. If you're 8 and investing, you will be rich before you're in college. I know, always wish the best of success to the people, right? Nick keeps up warm and toasty. I know, right? Trying to here. It's curious always. Curious always. Cool, cool. Toasty by the cyber campfire. Make some cyber s'mores. Oh, you're adding another one there, treasure. Like, and teacher doesn't tell you this stuff. Yeah, yeah. Teachers don't teach this stuff. Sometimes, if you want to learn the stock market stuff, you gotta go to special like classes where you pay a whole bunch of money to learn stuff like this, where they don't want people to kind of do that. You know, like finance class or whatever. They could teach you a little, but you gotta pay a lot of money for that type of education. But in general, they try to hide the stock market investing stuff from people for the most part. Hell yeah, adding more logs to the campfire. Hell yeah. Good stuff. Look at adding or ORCL on the dip this week or next. Like maybe AVGO2 because they're down on BS. Oh yeah, yeah, down on BS. That could be a good opportunity to add some of those. I think so. I do stocks, but futures. What's your position have on this micro gold? Uh, major debt, man. Major debt. Let's see. Well, the position over here right now, I got two contracts on here, currently kind of down at the moment. But I guess we'll wait and see. Hopefully, it dips a little bit. Oh, for Oracle major debt. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, I'm shorting it at the moment. Yep. Or put. Uh, this is not a put because it's futures. It's just shorting it. Yeah, I went to a trading academy. They wanted 40K. Oh wow, that's crazy. And that's just positioning and leveraging for future. And he is a better teacher than a real one because he's telling me how to train. So Oracle has like 100 billion. Am I right? I I'm not from the top of my head. I'm not sure how much debt Oracle has or how much it has in general. I don't have too much information on Oracle at the moment. Much smaller cap than ATM too. Like, did you think gold would drop down below 4300? My bedtime. Make sure to go live tomorrow. Right. Okay, I'll probably be live tomorrow. I think, but I agree. Oracle, decent long play. Yeah, for the long term on Oracle, I think it's kind of decent. Did you think gold would drop down below 4300? I I think I think I'm not sure if it's gonna go short term below 4300. Uh, it's hard to tell. I think it would get close to around there somewhere, but it's hard to tell right now. Right now, it's kind of really hard to tell for me because I don't see the fine chart, so it's kind of hard to tell. On top of that, just kind of logically thinking, looks like a lot of people are putting money into the gold, like the institutions. I think they're selling out of like a whole bunch of ETFs and like the Mag Seven and stuff like that. And I think they are putting money in the gold and the silver. That's what's probably going up. That's just my opinion. I'm not 100% sure. That's what I think, but who knows? I may be wrong. I mean, I hope it goes down a little bit more. That'd be nice, but who knows? And Oracle will bottom next week and run up for months after. Yeah, if Oracle will bottom next week, it'd be a good, very good discount, very good buying opportunity potentially. SMX is a stock I own 850% to borrow. Oh wow, that's crazy. I'm flipping next week. Precious metals, precious 5K. SMX, look it up. Do not short it. Oh, okay. SMX, do not short. Just in case I could take a screenshot so I won't short SMX, you know. Let's see. Take a screenshot. There you go. Take a screenshot. That way I get save my tips here. Shorting right now. Yeah, like like I'm shorting the gold right now, the micro gold or whatever that thingy is. Kind of sort of halfway shorting it. Looking out for you for sure. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Drop, gold drop. I know, right? That's funny. That's what we want, kinda, at the moment. They came up with some ID that survives gold. Gold smelting. Wow, that's kind of interesting. Flipping interesting, like crazy. Flipping cyber campfire keeps on burning. Let it keep it burning as long as possible. So all gold and metals, clothing, etc. will be traced to its own last owner. Frustrating to see it bleed higher. Need a drop soon, please. Go live at the 360 because it's cool. going to going to become the new gold standard. That's funny. Precious metals. I know, right? Flipping precious metals. Oh man, it's really testing the patience. Really testing the patience. Oh man. LOL 5K. Hmm. If I were you, about financial lines, but get in below 200, flip at 300. Come on, go trap some buyers and plummet. Trap some buyers and plummet. That's funny. SMX is what I'm thinking about. That's cool. Sellers are trapped. One nine nine point eight limit order for me. It's at 225. Yes, sellers trapped. Sellers are feeling some pain, but nothing too crazy. Gold seems more forgiving than NQ. That's how they trap slow cook like a brisket. I know, right? My chopper subscribed to you. See you next time. Thanks for the subscribe there, Colton Begley. Thank you, man. Trap slow cook like a brisket. Said I. Oh, hey there. Go to sleep, wake up with negative 200. Oh, man. Ebook for sale. But yeah, I'm not sure how high it's gonna go. I think I should probably exit out of it because looks like it's pushing up like crazy. If I get in again, maybe get in from a higher price. It's going, so I'm out of the trade completely right now. We should have went long instead of going short. That's what I think. Maybe I could go short if it goes higher a little bit. I see. Maybe I could do a trade like, let's see, trade. Maybe sell one at, let's see, go one at 4.3. Maybe do 4.320. 4.3. Let's see. Maybe I should do 4.323 or 4.321. There you go, 4.323.3. Let's maybe short it from that point. Let's see what happens. While it takes sellers gives it a good bump. I know, right? I just feel like it breaks 23, it might be really running up strong. Yeah, I think it's got some strong momentum. Sometimes even the charts, like you could see one thing, but it could do the opposite thing, you know? Because like right now, like what I'm seeing is like a whole bunch of institutions are piling into the gold. They're selling out of the ETFs. out of the Mag 7, out of the ETFs, and they're dumping their money in the metals because I think right now, a lot of the ETFs and Mag 7 is going to be dipping before the Christmas rally, and they're dumping it in the gold. So people that are shorting the gold like us right now, kind of a little bit screwed. Just my opinion. Trying to predict the unpredictable is the game. Oh, well. I know, right? Predict the unpredictable. That's funny. Keep some pushing up some more. Stay connected to source. See it. Look like a new high. Yeah, I already got out of my trade. I put another one to short it from another amount. Let's see. So if it'll reach 4323.3, maybe I'll try to short it from that point. I know it looks kind of risky. Looks kind of a little bit sort of halfway risky. Oh, what kind of dog do I have? Well, it's what do you call it? It's a chocolate lab mixed with another smaller breed, which I'm not sure what other smaller breed, but it's like a chocolate lab, like a smaller size one. Like the dog weighs like maybe 30, maybe 35 pounds, something like that. Like a medium sized dog. It's pretty nice. Dog's very sweet, very nice. At least you're out of a short now. You gave it plenty of time. I think I have a 41-pound Yorkie named Oliver. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, 4 pounds. So it's a tiny dog. 4-pound Yorkie. Wow, that's cute. Yeah, like our dog's name is Faith, and like yeah, it's about like 30, 35 pounds ish, but it's a very chill dog. Hey there, Joe Grow. Yeah, I'm still on. Hell yeah. What time do you gotta get up? Oh, well, I don't gotta get up. I'm up all the time. I just go straight to work from here. Like from trading to work, from work to trading, from trading to work. The kind of life. Good stuff, right? Right there. And then eventually crash wherever, whenever type deal, and then continue, right? Crazy lifestyle. It hasn't slept since 1973. Oh man, that's funny. That's what's up. I love dogs. They compete. The family. I only have a dog though and a girlfriend, but the dog is everything. That's pretty cool, Lance Briefcase. Yeah, dogs are awesome. Perpetual trading and caffeine intake. Yep, that's definitely for sure. Oh man. maybe now. Let's see, perpetual trading against caffeine. Maybe now, for what? Well, because right now I'm not in the trade. I did one like if it goes that high to get into shorted, but I'm not in it at the moment. Can you explain this trade and what you are looking for? I'll end up leaving my dog a fortune. No one else matters. He can do philanthropy work. I know, right? That's pretty cool. That's awesome, man. It's hella awesome. But hey there, I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed if gold drops. Oh man. But yeah, there, Corey Johnson 9081. Can you're saying can you explain this trade and what you are looking for? Well, what I was doing was like I was shorting it for a little bit. Obviously, it didn't work out. You could see I'm negative right here, $131 negative. And right now I'm out of the trade, but I did try to put another one on to short it from this price from 4,323.3. I don't know if it'll get there or not. Doesn't matter whether it does or not, but for whoever's shorting it right now, hopefully it goes down because I'm out of the trade. Like at least you guys can make your money back. But I guess we'll see what happens. Currently I'm not in the trade, but I have one just in case if it does go up higher, shorted from a higher amount. But kind of checking it out and looking at it. So at the moment, higher high has been made. If there's a higher high, that means it could potentially keep on going higher. By the way, is Robinhood letting us short now? Oh, this is futures. On futures, you could always short. You know, this is not like the normal stock market. The normal stocks you can't short unless you do puts. You could short with the puts, but this one on Robinhood, if you use futures with futures, that's part of the whole game. You short and go long. So futures, you could do that. Oh, you did not know that. Oh, I see. But see right here, I'm out of the trade. And this one right here, I queued in short to go short. But if it reaches that price, then we'll get in and I'll start shorting it. But right now, I got out of my short because it was just going too high, and I just didn't want to risk it anymore at the moment. Oh, overbought. I see. They stopped shorting for a specific day and specific company. Oh, I see. I'll be watching you more now. Oh, okay, cool there. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a whole bunch of trades on Robin. I'm doing options trading, futures trading. I just recently started futures trading, normal stocks trading, and a whole bunch of different stuff like scalping, day trading, swing trading, different type of options, some crypto. Like I do pretty much almost everything that Robinhood has. Even the prediction markets, I do a tiny bit of that. A whole bunch of random stuff. But at the moment, I'm in the futures. Silver was the hot mover recently. People have been flocking to silver lately from gold futures. Oh, I see. Wow, that's crazy. Can you show me the leverage? Well, the leverage and the play, like, let's see. So this is what the play is, leverage 16.3x, ticker size 0.1, multiplier $10, tick value $1. That's kind of information about like the contract. I know, sorry, like it was a risky trade being in the tight of appended. Oh, no, no worries. They're wondering for treasures. It's all good. It's all good. You know, stock market's not always 100% predictable. There's no worries. It kind of sometimes it is what it is. You know, I wouldn't worry about it. And you can exit at any time. Yes, you could exit at any time. Yep. See, there's a button here. See, there's a button here that says exit and cancel all. So if you have like different positions and everything, just click that and it gets everything out of the futures trades. You know, if you're like unsure or something. Yes, this here is trading futures. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep. Yes, in or out, long or short at any time. Bitcoin 200K 2026. There's a potential for it to reach that, but not a guarantee. It might take a little bit longer, but it could take that. Like who knows? Maybe 150 ish K. I'm guessing potentially. I mean, not financial advice, but kind of who knows. Oh, well, that's funny. Except you will never be 1K. Oh man. We both said 150 and they've taken 150. Nice. Of course, now it's going to go down. I know, right? Finally, it's deciding to go down. That's funny. I mean, if it does, it is what it is. Still, right now it's like a crazy time. Christmas rallies coming, Santa Claus rallies coming. The institutions are trying to get money out of the Mag 7, out of the ETFs, and dump it into the gold and screw the people that are holding the ETFs, the Mag 7 short term. And then later run it back up for the Christmas rally. That's what it looks like. Now is when it's shorted. I think that 323 is a good short. Take loss harvesting. Yep. Tax loss harvesting. Yep, for sure. For sure, for sure. I'm gonna maybe see how the chart looks like on the trading view thingy. Let's see, put this off the side. Okay, let's check out trading view here for a second. Oh yeah, this thing shot up. Damn. Look at this chart. Like before it was like going down. Right now, like the general momentum has switched it. It's going up. That's crazy. I mean, there could be a potential short term, what do you call it, dip, but general, it changed the general momentum towards the upside. So it's kind of risky to short it at the moment. I mean, you can still make money shorting it, but it kind of totally changed the momentum here. Flipping A. It's like trending upward like crazy right now. I think generally it might keep on doing that. Who knows, but it's insane. Yeah, you could do a quick profit in now, like going short term, but like it totally generally changed the momentum here. Very little. I'd have nightmares sleeping short. I know for sure. Sleeping short right now. Oh man. But yeah, it's insane. Like for a while, the trend line was going down. I was shorting the crap out of it. I actually made a lot of money. Right now, it's flipping going up. Right now, it's actually slightly safer to go long and catch the slightly long moves than the slight short moves. That's what it looks like. Bouncing at 427 could be, you know. But yeah, that's crazy. That's a 2 hour chart. Let me check the 4 hour chart here. So yeah, even the 4 hour chart, you could see the momentum switch to the upside. Because before, you see how it's like the line is bending. Before, the line was like this. Right now, the way it's moving, it's bending the line. The line used to be like this. Right now, it bent the line like this, and I think it's just reversing the whole trend line. Look at the MACD; it's all pointing up like crazy. It's flipping reversing to the upside in general. Like I said, the flipping institutions are kind of dumping from the ETFs, from the SPY, QQQ, from the Mag 7, from the Nvidia, from the Tesla, and they're putting it, a lot of it, in the metals. They're trying to shake off the people from the Mag 7, from the ETFs, putting their shit in the safe spot for right now. That's why it's pumping like crazy. And then once everybody's shaking off from those, they're gonna dump back in those and make a Christmas rally, Santa Claus rally. That's what I see. That's kind of what it looks like. Trapping buyers, yeah. I love that you're fully focused on gold futures tonight. You will get a feel for it soon. Like, I just think you should be on MNQ right now because you will end up trading NQ eventually. Yeah, eventually that probably might happen, you know. And you need to experiment with props. Apex is currently 90% off today. Oh, nice. So did you try the Apex? Does it work pretty good? Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so I kind of remember the name, just in case when I want to check it out, it'll be on here, you know. So I took a picture, screenshot of the name. So eventually I'll probably try it out. I'll check it out. But yeah, like whichever one's the best, I want to try one of the better ones, you know. And Q agree. Nice, nice. Trapping buyers. But yeah, it's pretty cool. GN, good night. Okay. Yeah, where's what dip go on? But yeah, it does look like it reversed kind of to the upside, general upside trend right now, looks like, in the gold. I mean, we could still make potentially money on the a dip on the downside, but I'm not sure if it's gonna dip a lot or not. This chart being flipping weird and glitchy. I'll probably do a slightly longer one for right now. I'll do the 15 minute. Yeah, I gotta do a yeah. Even the 15 minute here, the 15 minutes shows that it's just shooting up. Man, why is it being so weird? Oh, okay, now it's better. But yeah, it's definitely momentum totally changed right now to the upside. So right now it'd be safer to kind of go long in general. I mean, like I said, you could make money on going short a little bit, but I think it's at the moment because it changed the trend. It's probably safer to go long. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like on that thing. But who knows? Still, anything could happen. You know, gold gold flipping has a mind of its own, but it looks like it generally changed the trend towards the upside. Because recently, like before today and last night, the trend was kind of more on the downside. It was slowly trending down. Right now, reversed. I'm going long now. Okay. But it definitely looks, for the long run, definitely looks safer to go long. But I we've looked at the chart, like it just looks like totally reversed. Anyone trading futures with their own money is just stubborn and need to try prop firms out. They're essential to learn day trading futures. Oh, I see, I see. But yeah, like eventually I want to try it out. Like seems like it'll be pretty interesting, you know? It definitely does. Let's see here. But let's see. Anyways, I think let's see. I'll be logging off right now, so I'll probably be live streaming tomorrow. And have a good night, everybody. Guess see you guys tomorrow by the campfire, cyber campfire. Bye bye.